It's a 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. Leave no child, nor boat, nor trailer behind in this Pathfinder, thanks to its comfortable seating for 7 and strong towing capability. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. External memory control, intelligent key, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, Bluetooth, leather steering wheel, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Kelley Blue Book reports a large upward sloping grille and 2 large headlight housings convey toughness, but for the most part the latest Pathfinder projects a friendly image. Nissan, built for the human race. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Visit our website at youngernissanofrederick.com, or if you're already on the website, fill out our coupon form. Stop in for a test drive at 7418 Grove Road in Frederick, Maryland.